uzamele ufumana
You managed to get what? Themba, kwenzakalani mfethu? Umazela kuphi? Umazela kuphi?
He's lying. I didn't know you guys were friends.
Fire.
That's a nice song. Longixolele Themba.
Cela wani. Cela.
Ngendinimamele wena nomama. Nikhuzile ngaye. Mara ngenxa yengane zami. Khandinimamele. Cela ningixolele. Ufuna ulungisa amaphutha wami endiwenzileyo.
Mbele. Ngixolele.
Themba, please let me explain.
How could you say it? How could you do this to me?
Where did you get that?
Uluthetha njengebrother yami Zethi. Igazi lami. Mara nakho ngibe nandaba. Vele nje ungijonga wangihleka. Uxokile kumzethi.
Telling you nothing doesn't mean ukuthi I lied. Don't you ever point a gun at me, okay? That you should be pointing at the person who brought you misery. I woke up in hospital only to find out it was 7 months later. The doctor told me I woke up 15 minutes before they were about to pull out the plug that kept me alive. From that day, I thank God. I thanked him for saving me at the brink of the end of my life.
Uhlala kuphi?
You don't stand a chance against him.
Cela ngibonisa. Zama.
Ntoni ngoku?
Kamele sami.
Qhubeka ntoni ngawe?
We don't have much time.
Ngicela baqhubeka ntoni?
Themba, I know you are in there. Open up.
Ngiyamthanda boy.
Yebo.
Ngiyamthanda boy.
Let go. I'm going to kill you if you don't open this door.
Whatever happens, don't try to save me. So I want you to go to your room. Hide.
Open up, Themba. I know you are in there. Open up, Themba.
I don't die with my enemies. When you meet Jesus, tell him he's my role model.
Usuyazi ukuthi uhlalaphi. And ngiyathemba you won't do anything stupid. Look. Ngine-plan na. Don't do it.
And I change next part from now.
Where are they?
Alas. It's as if they expected me. As soon as I opened the door, I heard a loud banging noise and everything went dark. Woke up a few minutes later, found myself on the floor, my head severely bleeding. I searched the house and they were nowhere to be found.
You're such a fucking sissy, man. Let it go, Zakes. Better than that.
Next time I'll snap it.
Makes sense, man. Chess. Check. Nale game sayangikhinya mina manje just let's get your boy.
Don't you have something better to do than to sit there doing nothing?
Just playing cards. Difference is I'm winning. Go on, make my day. Now, slowly slip the guns to me in the floor. Get him and another number. You've committed a big mistake, son.
Wena son, do you think lento yenzayo la is anything compared?
Shut up! Ngubu, Chief.
Now you slowly give the gun to me.
Ungangibulali. Ngeke ngivanya ukuphila umbona apha.
He was my son. My only one. And you took him away from me. Well, he's gone now. Have you ever heard of a say? What you do on the left hand side, you do it on the right hand side. Relax. Just the beginning.
I'm sorry.
Anxiety has brought me another problem to take care of. He's only boy. I want you to take care of him. I want you to bring him to me.
listen to me, Themba. Hey, listen to Themba. Themba.
Ufuna.
Will you please stop waving that thing at me? I'm not here to cause any trouble, okay? Themba is captured. The man who killed your mother has him. Let's go inside and I'll tell you everything. Trust me.
Who would have thought this day would come? One of my biggest associates tried to eliminate me. Chief,
I'm sorry, Chief. The offer was tempting. They say if I can do this, my family will be free. Thank you, Chief. I promise that will never happen again.
you're damn right.
I swear.
When you meet Jesus, tell him he's my role model.
I promised myself that I'll do whatever I can to avenge my brother's death. I then got closer to him by making deliveries just like my brother did. He trusts me now. That's why I'm here to bring both you and Bali to him. No. That's not what I'm going to do. I'm here to warn you about Chief. Your mother's death came too soon. This was the day we were to come for her. But Chief changed everything without me knowing. I'm sorry. Go to a safer place. Go to a relative or someone you know of. Where's Mali? I need to go. I have to think of a way to get Themba out of here.
I thank God it's you, Zix. I thought... Zix.
Shut up! Just shut the hell up!
Are you feeling much better now?
Udinga ukudla kwakho.
Yazi ngisebenza kangakanani ngokufumana ukudla.
Why ningenza kanje mara?
Amsho baningezwe ukuthi ngishonile nizojabula ne.
When I'm sure this is so in the after everything that you did. Mzansi ngizomkhulisa kanje ngane. Don't be a coward.
That's how both our families got involved in this horror.
So kungani ungakubiki konke lokho emaphoyiseni?
Well, I figured ukuthi manga involve amaphoyisa kuzocomplicate izinto. Ngiyamsebenzela uchief and ngiyazi ukuthi uThemba ukuphi. So ngimele isikhathi esiright, then I'll sneak him out.
Okay, I'm more than willing to help. But if anything happens and threatens my family, I'll have to involve the police.
Yes, I understand. Melengham, I'm checking on you guys now and then.
Okay, come here.
Okay.
Zakes, wait up.
Look, Zakes, about what happened the other day.
Yazine, if I knew ukuthi the road led to your house, ngizovele ngichike nje.
Zakes, I'm really sorry. Please understand.
Is that all?
Tell me or I'll blow your brains off.
Ngingakuzimisela njalo ndoda.
Woo! I'm getting stronger and stronger every day.
son. Angela, boy. If you know.
Tell me you're trying your best. I want you to do your best. Forget about the girls. I want you to put the focus in the baby. I want him alive. Is he fit? Can hear.
You bastard! What are you going to gain from this, huh? Please, Chief. Please don't hurt the girls. They've done nothing to you.
Hello.
You bastard! Bastard!
I'm going to rip your heart out, I promise you. Isn't it equal, Chief? You killed his mother, and he killed her.
Themba, fight!
Who's the sissy now? The mighty chief, brought down by a little girl.
You?
Ringing the bell? Me. Yo, man. Yo, man, laba umbali no Themba.
Umbali akasemuhle umbali. Thembi sawona kunjani? Siyaphila umbali. Asingangena endlini.
Sechs?